The time and money spent helping men do more for themselves is so much better than just giving. Life is a series of experiences, each of which makes us bigger, although sometimes it is difficult to make it happen, because the world is built to develop character, and we must learn that the setbacks and sorrows we endure help us move forward. When things seem against you, remember that airplanes take off against the wind, not with the wind. Quality means getting it right when no one is looking. One of the greatest discoveries man has ever made, one of the greatest surprises, is conquering what he has been afraid of. High wages start in the shop. If it is not created there, it cannot go into the payment envelope. There will never be a system invented that will eliminate the need for work. High wages start in the shop. If it is not created there, it cannot go into the payment envelope. There will never be a system invented that will eliminate the need for work. Exercise is useless. If you are healthy, you don't need it, and if you are sick, you shouldn't do it. Competition is the sharp edge of a business. It always cuts out the company's costs. The best people are those who play a major role in the success of others. An idealist is a person who helps others to become more prosperous. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at the age of 20 or 80. Whoever keeps learning stays young. The greatest thing in life is to keep your mind young. Money is like an arm or a leg. Use it, or you will lose it. Enthusiasm is the yeast that makes your hopes shine to the stars. Enthusiasm is the sparkle in your eyes, the swing of your gait, the grip of your hand, the irresistible surge of will and energy to carry out your ideas. Competitors to be afraid of are competitors who never bother you at all but continue to make their business better from time to time. The person who will use his skills and constructive imagination to see how much he can give for money, not how little he can give for $1, is determined to succeed. People who stop advertising to save money are like stopping the clock to save time. There will be no big work that is too heavy if it has been broken down into small and light jobs.